Of late, the way you brand the place, I think maybe the price are too high. They pay, they go. Yo, this is Mosarrow Ghana. Today I'm live from still area 3. I'm still in the hood, man. Today we are going to talk about how you should greet people. We have two types of people: the people who gives you money and the people we just vibe with. How should you greet them? So let's get in there. From today we'll be doing the same thing rather than doing the opposite as you are doing. Let's talk about how to greet these two people. We have the one who gives you money and the one who you see you just vibe with. So if you are going to greet these two people, the one whom you vibe with, let's start with that one first. And the second one is very important for me. So let's brush on this one. The one who you just vibe with. Those people that in our society, those are the people we give much time. We just vibe with them. They don't give you anything. They don't give you progress in life. We give much focus. So somebody can stop just working and go. My friend says I should stop working so that we go and vibe. Meanwhile, that vibe brings you nothing. Wait. Mommy is calling. Hello, mama. Oh, me with TV show. Mention this cousin. Hey, mommy, let's go. It just costs you, and you always need money to go and vibe that vibe. So, in that society, we give much focus to those whom we just vibe with. We are doing the opposite. So the second one is the person who gives you money. The person who gives you money is the person that you are supposed to pay much attention to. If you are going to do that person, don't just give a high five and just pass away. Make sure you go closer to the person, greet him. You have some company terms and those stuff. Just say it with him, and from there you are going to maybe know that tomorrow, okay, you have a schedule, you have this. The person is going to tell you everything that will bring you money. I mean, if there are jobs available, the person is going to tell you. So you need to go closer to that people. But don't get closer to your friends only. Like, hey, I vibe with this guy. Hey, let me go and say hi. He's a fan. Nah, the people who brings you money. So I'm not only talking about your bosses and this stuff. Sometimes your clients, you just get closer to those people, vibe with them plenty. Why are your clients? They're very important. If you see your client, maybe actually sometimes take your client, go have a drink together. That's how you're going to build a connection, and your money is going to flow 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I am sure you enjoyed that video. Let's subscribe. Let's make this thing go viral so that everybody can see. Let's share it to friends and family. If you love me, just send me a link anytime. Yeah, you can get our contacts everywhere on Google. Just search Motivational Ghana. Yeah, sure.